Why everyone suddenly loves Nota Baloyi after years of hate. For years, he was one of the most criticized and dragged figures in South Africa. Anything he said, people were ready to attack. Anything he posted, trending for the wrong reasons. But now, something has changed. All of a sudden, people are defending him, supporting him, even agreeing with him. So the question is, what happened? Why does it feel like the public has suddenly switched up on Nota Baloyi? If you've been on social media lately, you've probably noticed it too. The same guy who used to get dragged daily is now getting love, respect, and even praise. And honestly, it didn't happen overnight. Let's break down why people used to hate Nota and why they're finally starting to understand him. First things first, let's not rewrite history. Nota has always been controversial. That's just who he is. He built a reputation for saying things that most people are too afraid to say, calling out celebrities publicly, sharing opinions that go against the popular narrative. And the truth is, that didn't sit well with a lot of people. Because in today's world, if you don't agree with the majority, you get labeled as problematic. And Nota, he never tried to fit in. He would speak his mind without filtering himself, and sometimes the way he delivered his message would rub people the wrong way. Let's be honest, it's not always what you say, it's how you say it. And Nota's delivery, it has always been sharp, direct, and unapologetic. That combination made it easy for people to misunderstand him. Instead of listening to his message, many people focused on his tone, his attitude, and his delivery. And because of that, he became one of the most disliked voices online. Now, here's where things get interesting. What if the problem was never what Nota was saying, but rather how people interpreted it? Because if you actually take time to listen to him, really listen, you start to notice something. A lot of what he says actually makes sense. And this is where my theory comes in. And honestly, it's a strong one. For a long time, people didn't understand Nota's personality. They saw confidence as arrogance, honesty as disrespect, intelligence as being too much. But in reality, he was just being himself, unfiltered, unapologetic, consistent. And that's rare because most people switch up depending on public opinion. But Nota stayed the same even when the entire internet was against him. And over time, people started noticing that. So why the sudden love now? The answer is simple. People are starting to get it. They're starting to understand his perspective, his intelligence, and his consistency. And let's be real. In a world full of fake personalities and cloud chasing, someone who's authentically themselves stands out. Another important factor, people are revisiting the things he said in the past and realizing, wait, he was actually right. And that changes everything because once people see that someone they dismissed actually had valid points, respect starts to grow. And it's not just regular people noticing this shift. Even respected voices have spoken about it. For example, Saul Penduka once mentioned that Nota is a very smart guy with a lot of knowledge to share. And when someone like Saul says that, it carries weight because it confirms what some people are just now starting to realize. Nota isn't just controversial for attention, he actually has substance behind what he says. At the end of the day, this isn't just about Nota. It's about how we as an audience treat people who think differently. Sometimes we're quick to cancel, quick to judge, quick to misunderstand. But with time, perspective changes. And in Nota's case, people are finally seeing him for who he's always been. A smart, outspoken, and fearless individual who never changed himself to be liked. And maybe that's the real reason people are starting to love him now. Because they finally understand him. But I want to hear from you. Do you think people genuinely understand Nota now? Or is this just another phase of the internet switching up? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.